Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: the disenchanter, target item, and any required fuel or charge. Once done, make sure cyclic mode is enabled in settings so the device repeats actions automatically. You should place items in the correct input and output slots now. This prevents jams and ensures predictable timing. You'll also check that any cooldown timers are reset. This immediate setup saves time later and establishes the exact starting state the cycle needs to run reliably. You begin the cycle by configuring frequency and delays. Set cycles per minute or a millisecond delay so the disenchanter processes items predictably. As it runs, monitor resource consumption and heat because sustained cyclic use can throttle performance. Adjust cooling or pauses if needed. Once running, make sure the input feeder timing matches the output buffer capacity to avoid overflow. You'll tweak the timing iteratively. Small changes can stabilize throughput and improve yield over continuous runs. You conclude by stopping the cycle and clearing any remaining items or jams. This prevents loss and readies the unit for reuse. Once done, reset or save the current settings if you found a stable configuration, because profiles prevent future misconfiguration. If things go wrong, run a single-cycle test with logging enabled to capture errors and timing mismatches. This isolates the fault quickly. Finally, make a small, controlled run to verify your fix before returning to full cyclic operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.